Hello all, welcome to our channel. So in this video we will talk about one of the small board that you see here in my hand. So this is STM32 microcontroller based evaluation board. So this STM32 is a 32-bit microcontroller. So one of the most commonly used board we can say. So this board is available around $7 to $8 in the market. So if you see this microcontroller on this particular evaluation board, this is STM32F103C8T6. So there is one more version of this microcontroller which is called C8T6. So there is a difference between the features of C6T6. So most of the guys get confused with C8T6 and C6T6. So we will see what are the differences between C6T6 and C8T6 in a few minutes from now. So now this particular microcontroller is one of the best starting point we can say for anyone who is trying to learn embedded systems, who is trying to especially enter into the embedded systems and searching for a board where they want to experiment more on the firmware perspective and also getting to know the hardware from the evaluation board. We suggest to buy this board and experiment more. So now we will see what are the differences between C6T6 and C8T6. This is our first video on this STM32. We will continue talking about this particular microcontroller, how to program it, how to work on different aspects of this in the future videos. Okay. So we can look at the differences between C6T6 and C8T6. This is our blog, embeddeddesign.blogspot.com. So if you scroll down, you can see here both are ARM Cortex M3 based, and both have 32-bit size, and both have the same operating voltage and frequency. So that means from the core perspective and operational voltage perspective, they are the same. The major difference where it comes is with respect to the amount of memory that is available. If you see, C6T6 has 16 KB, 32 KB flash support, whereas C86 comes in 64 KB and 128 KB variants. And on the same side, RAM, if you see the SRAM basically in microcontrollers, C6T6 has 6 KB and 10 KB options, whereas C86 has 20 KB. Here B meant byte. So even if we see from the peripheral perspective, the USARTs we have more in C86 as well as SPI, USB, I2C, CAN, and GPIO. So the C86 has more features compared to C6T6, and especially this supports USB 2.0 and CAN 2.0B. And if you see from the timers counters perspective also, there is a difference. And if you can see the evolution board is compared as well. So this comes around $7 to $8, whereas this is coming around $9 to $10. So little on the higher side. So internal temperature sensor and then RTC clock, they are the same. ADC resolution and ADC channels is also the same, and then DMA availability same across. So if you see overall, compared to C6T6 and C86, especially from the peripherals perspective and flash perspective, there is a difference. So this is very important to know while you are buying the evolution board. Check out this particular feature because you might want to have more memory. So in that case, you might have to go for C8T6. So especially talk on these factors when you are buying from online, or if you are buying from a store nearby, talk to them and get the input. So as I mentioned, this is one of the board which can be used by the beginners of embedded systems, the students, the hobbyists, and of course STM32 is commonly used in industry. So very good starting point. So we'll be creating more videos on this in the coming days. Please visit our channel for more videos in future. Thank you.